Hello my friends, this is tutorial number 31 in this Java programming language tutorials. In this lesson we will be practice a map, and but in this lecture we will do some map, but we will include scanner, because we will input our keys and values in the map. And first let me create another class. It will be class 04. We will create a main method and we will start creating our map. We will use scanner input without brackets equals new scanner system.in. Of course we didn't import a util, but let's continue. Map, it will be we will do some car application. We will have a cars, it will be a string, and the price will be, this time will be integer. We will call it garage equals new hash map string integer and semicolon. Of course we need to import Ctrl Shift and O. What we need, we have Java util hash map, Java util map. Let me import java.util for our scanner, and we will need, okay, it is imported, I didn't, so we could import java.util. We will need a map, and we will need entry. Okay, that's all that we need. If we need some else we will import, but let us start with our application. It will be a string, it will be entry. We will leave the empty string for the beginning. Okay, we will need end, string end, and I will show you what we're gonna do with it. It will be end equals to end. Now I hope that you remember of the do while loop. When we learned loops, we learned for loop, while loop. You have that tutorial, and with do while loop, if you forgot do while loop, you can watch the loop tutorial again, but I hope that you still remember. Okay, we will gonna write some do while loop, and we will do system out print line enter car and price in format will be car and price. We will practice a little split strings again. Okay, now let us continue. Entry equals input dot next line. Okay, and condition for the we have a do condition, but we don't have a while. We will write while entry equals in our case it will be end, and will be different, not will be equal, will be different. Okay, semicolon. Now what's the point? We will have we need to enter the car and the price in the format like this. Car will be brand of the car, we will brand, tilde, and price, and we will do as many cars we want. But when we press the end, the entry is complete. Okay, and now let's continue. We will have we need a string will be car, and we will get the null. It is null for the moment. Car string, this car has no value, and we will do the same thing for the integer, but we need to write this integer price null value. Okay, now we will need a condition. If garage it will not be garage, it will be entry dot let me find the split. We need to split it. Let me type split. Okay, regex will be of course tilde. We need to split this. Dot length greater than 1. It needs to be greater than 1 so we can split it. If we, for example, if we enter without tilde, it will not be splitted. Okay, less than 1, and it will be we have a car will be equal to entry dot split. It will be tilde from when we to explain you, when we separate this string which is a car, this entry string with car and price, when we separate, we will have left a car which is string from which is a string from part 0, and the price will be part 0 element of the array, and the price will be first element of array. Car will be element of 0. Now, but this is a string, and we need to another string for the price. It will be string price in string will be equal entry dot split. It will be of course tilde, and will be first element of the array. And now, but we will need an integer value. And how we gonna do that? We already know how to convert when we have a number in a string, how to convert it in integer, and that is what we're gonna do. Price will be integer parse of the price string. Okay, semicolon. And now what we're gonna do, we need before we continue, we need another condition. For example, if entry will be equal, ignore case, it will be the and will be the different. First we need our entry need to be different from the end. If that case, if that condition is completed, we will have garage dot, we will put in garage, and what we're gonna put, we will put the key, which is the car, and which is a string, and the value will be the price, which is integer. Okay, now this looks good. Okay, in the next tutorial, we will continue with this application. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on the Twitter and Instagram. You have a link in the description. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.